Hello everyone, welcome back to the Statistics Bio 7. In this episode 33 for the Math class podcast, we will learn how to perform the repeated measures ANOVA in Math class software. In this method is used when the same subject are measured the multiple times. So the repeated measures ANOVA test wherever the is statistically significant difference across the repeated time points. Unlike the one-way ANOVA, this method account for the correlations between the repeated measures. So we take the data set for the repeated measures ANOVA in the 10 different the patient's ID and the same subject for the blood pressure, the baseline, the 1 month and 3 month, the variable, the data set. So now the analyst for the MedCalc software in the repeated measures ANOVA, go to the top menu, selected for the statistics options and selected for the ANOVA and selected for the repeated measures analysis of variations. So the same subject, they enter the variable values. So the first one selected for the baselines for the blood pressure and the second one variable for the blood pressure in the 1 month and the third one variable selected for the blood pressure 3 month and the grouping variable between the subject factor we not selected for the this options because we not take for the any groups and the subgroups data analyst for the filter options. So we not take for the groups, so leaving for the group variable and the filter options. On the right side of the repeated measures ANOVA, the options for the logarithmic transformation options do not selected for the unless data are highly checked. So then click to the OK button in our data analyst for the repeated measures ANOVA. So the number of the subject we take for the 10 because our 10 different patients and the Sphericity the table, the method and ellipsis value, the green Gauss the value 0.661 and highly filter value 0.730 and the test of this within the subject affect the table, the source variation of the factor and residuals. So the Sphericity assumed for the sum of square value 1110.467, the degrees of freedom value 2 and the mean square value 555.23 and the table value for the same the 3 analysis Sphericity, green Gauss and Heinlein. So on the p value less than 0.001. So on the residuals the value present for the sum of square the same value 2.86 and the trend analysis trend for linear value the t-test value minus 63.85, the degrees of freedom 9 and the significant p less than 0.001 and quadratic value for the t-test 3 and degrees of freedom 9 and significance p is equal to 0.015. The within the subject factor the table blood pressure the baseline 1 month and 3 month the mean value for the 149.90 and 142.20 and 135.0. So the different the standard error 0.60, 0.72 and 0.81 and the bar graph also present in the within the same subject factor, the highest the value present for the baseline of the blood pressure 149 and the second one the highest value present the blood pressure level the 1 month and the lowest the blood pressure mean value present in the blood pressure 3 month and the pairwise comparison for the baseline of the blood pressure in the 1 month the means the difference 7.70 at the baseline to the blood pressure 3 month 14.90. So the standard error 0.23 and all the pair the comparisons for the baseline 1 month and 3 month blood pressure the p value less than 0.001 and the different value present for the 95% of confidence interval. So on the A of the square the options the boniformly correlated the test analyzed. So and the additional one options provided for the repeated measures ANOVA in math class, the options for the plot means and the different the plot options, the creating method, the available in the multiple variable graphs. So the variables for the selected three same variables in the variables options, and the suitable the graph selected for the bar, horizontal lines, marker and connecting lines, and the box plot, notice and violin, dot and dot lines, the cumulative frequency distributions, the many graphs options available. But we choose for the bar graph within the mean value and complete the case studies only. So selected for the OK button, then the graph are the created, the minimum customize options only for the MedCalc software. So the choose for the format bar, the change to the color, fill the color and the border color selected to the black, then apply OK. And the standard deviation of the error bar, choose the color and line thick, then click to the OK button. And already for the font style selected for the time Roman and 22. If you want to reduce the font, okay, 18, okay. Then the format of the y-axis value, then minimum starting for the 0 and the maximum 160. So minimum started for the 0 and the maximum 160, then increment for the 20, then increase to the 40. Minor text is 0. So only the few customized the choose for the this graph options. So this is for the multiple variable graph, the bar graph for the repeated measures ANOVA in the MedCalc software. If you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box, and you try to the practice of the repeated measure ANOVA in the MedCalc. The data file uploaded in our website and the link mentioned to the this video description box. And the interpretation also I will explain for the published in the Blogger post. That post link also mentioned to the this video description box. Thank you for watching this video.